Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My apartment right now looks like a big, well, it's technically my own fault, but it has been so much to do with work, with shooting events, with converting Super 8 and 8 millimeters to digital, VHS to digital. It has been a lot. Right now I'm just waiting for a notification from the, like a post, not a post office, but I have ordered something that will help me with the event, hopefully. And right now I'm just waiting for the notification because I got the information that it will arrive today. And that would be great. So the notification came. Here is the package. Hopefully this will help me on the event, or actually both the event and for my vlogging channel. And just gonna see about the knife. I open it upside down, and the box is right here. The paper. This here in this box is for this camera, the Sony A6700. When I bought this camera, it was included with the kit lens. And I ordered this now. The Sigma 10-18 f2.8. So let's see. The reason I ordered this is that the kit lens is 16-50. And I need a little bit wider when I shoot both events and for this vlog. We're gonna see if this works. A lot of papers, documents. Looks like this. Kind of a lens ring. Here is the lens. Box is empty. As you can see around me, it needs to be clean. It's light. So this is the Sigma 10-18 2.8. I don't know if you can see it here. So let's take a battery for the Sony camera. So we'll not turn it off yet. There's a button here. There's a button here. You see the camera like this. There's a button here. You have to push that in. When you push that in, you can twist the lens. Twist the lens, and then you can take it out. I want to do one more thing here, and that is I have this one. Actually, before I put the new lens on, I would like to see how much I can see. Doing like this, I kind of get my whole desk. The desk is like, I think 180, 2 meters, 180. In wideness, I have the whole desk. And when you attach the lens, you have a white dot on the lens over there. You have a white dot on the camera house over there. I don't know if it's sharp like this, like that. There's a white dot, and that means the white dot on the lens and the white dot on the camera goes together, and then turn it like that. I've never changed lens on this camera, so I'm used to with the Canon camera. The 80D is the one I'm recording with. The 80D is the one I record this with now. And yeah, that was a click. I'm gonna release the lens again. Yeah. Yeah, there's a little bit like a rubber thing here. There's like a rubber thing here, so it's like a little bit weather protected, water protected, just a little bit. So now you take the white dot there and you take the white dot on the lens. You sync them together. You twist the lens now. I'm gonna do like this since I have the camera, the microphone here. You can, if you listen now when I twist. That click, I don't know if you heard it. That click, that means the lens is now secured. Oh yeah, it is. Oh. Open it up. Beautiful. Start the camera. Oh yeah. What I'm laughing at is that when the lens is at like 18, it's almost the same as this one. That was 16 to 50. And when I change it to 10, it's like I can have almost 2 tables, 1.8 tables like that and still see it. That was great. This was a very good surprise. And this is like a sun protector. I don't know. I don't know if I make a fool of myself now, but there's a white dot up there. There's a white dot on the lens. So I'm guessing the white dots together, or am I totally wrong? I have no idea if I do right or wrong right now.
2,000 years later.
Like that? I don't know if I did it right, but I'm gonna see if I can show you. When it is on 16, that is 18, that is 16. I know the settings are not correct for this light. And when I turn it to 10, I don't know if you see the display here, but it is much wider. That was a good thing. Actually, it was a very good thing. So this is what I've been waiting for. Hopefully. It's going to be very interesting to see how this works in reality. Very interesting. And so far, I love this camera. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you like this video, put a like. Don't forget to subscribe, that really helps this channel. And click the bell button, you will have a notification for the next video I will put up there. See you in the next video.